it's the same, except this one has a membrane on it, so that this way you don't get the dust going into this switch. And reassembly is pretty much the way this assembly goes. Just make sure green is on top, red is on the bottom. The switch fits into the hole. And then we drop the knob. Make sure that it's straight up and down. And then we're just going to take our channel locks again. Okay, you don't want to over tighten it because you can crack the switch if you over tighten it. And then this slips back on. And then we turn our lever back. Okay. After that, it's reassembled. You make sure it's lined up. And we take our little yellow keeper, and that's basically a lock. It doesn't allow that to open up again and the contacts to come off. And then we check the operation of our switch. And we should know if it's working correctly, because in the back here you have the red and the green. The green would be your start, the red would be your stop. So when I hit the stop, you'll see the little indicator come through for the red, and when I hit up my start, I see the green indicator come through for the start. Okay, and that